That one
Where
works.
is
Okay.
where is Sam?
Hey, everyone, I am back. We are recording, and I have a special guest here today who just happened to stop by during lunch. And this is Felipe with FTP, RTP, and powder coating
We do
customs, right?
customs, yeah.
Yeah,
What we do is wheel repair.
wheel repair. Okay, so there's specialty wheel house where people come in and bring in their rims that are curved and dirty and messy and ugly, and you make them
Yeah,
beautiful.
we make them pretty.
Yeah. Okay, so you're a special guest today because you were doing stripping the old way, I guess. You had a system in place, but then you switched over to Benco, and we wanted to talk to you about how that went. So we figured about a year ago is when you first started.
Yeah,
Tell us how that took place.
Well, Philip came to to us,
Yeah,
and we were using different
from
chemicals.
Benco, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So he came twice, and I
Mhm.
said, I need something to try to see what would be the difference.
Right.
And he actually spoke with Valerie
Hmm.
and provided samples
Yeah,
to
to
try
try
it.
test out.
And
And that was the B17, or was that the
B17E.
Oh, you started with that. Okay.
So I love the product.
Yeah.
It helps us to increase our capacity.
Yeah.
Um, it lasts a lot longer than the other product.
In terms of evaporation, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It doesn't require heat.
Yeah.
So that's another thing that we love it. That's
Right. Right. And we just bought one too, but we haven't unpacked it yet.
Okay.
So I'm actually kind of curious to see how that process was, because what size tank did you guys get?
It's the.
Did you get a custom one made?
It was custom.
It was,
Yeah.
okay, because we bought the 6-wheel tank.
Yeah, ours is 9.
Okay.
Ours 9.
So they custom made one that could accommodate that many to keep up with the production that you needed, the capacity that you needed for the day or for the week or the month.
Right.
Okay. And do you know how many rims that you do process every month or every week?
Let's say every day we do about six batches
Yeah.
of 9 wheels.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's a hell of a
Yeah,
lot of wheels.
That's a lot of wheels. Yeah.
And each one is a different color where you have to do color changes?
Yeah, we do different color changes.
Yeah. So you've got to have things precise and not falling behind and slowing production at all. So
Yeah.
you found that this product, or the B17E tank and all the whole thing, has really kept things going pretty smoothly for
Yes,
you.
for sure.
Yeah. So you guys were using another brand, and without mentioning or naming names, what sort of the problems was it? The evaporation was your main issue there?
It was, yes. We have to add more
Constantly,
product.
yeah, right. And I hear you have to put the oil on top or something to
Yes.
slow that down.
And it has to be like hot all the time.
Yeah, right.
And with this one,
And you got to do the pH thing, and that was
Correct.
kind of one of the things, because I interviewed Martin too, and I happened to do all that chemical checking and pH stuff, and everything seemed a bit much. But this product you don't have to.
No, that's another advantage that
Right.
we have. We don't have to send samples and come to
Right,
test it out.
right. Yeah. So that when you're busy and you're not just doing that, you're doing a million other things day to day. That's the last thing you want to think about is, oh, I got to go over there and do that test or whatever,
Right.
or add more product or whatever. Yeah. So you bought it about a year ago. What did you do? Like, you talked to the sales rep from Benco, and then did you have to get financing? We got financing.
On ours, yeah, we have to do that.
Yeah, it's nice. Actually, I thought it was a pretty fair monthly payment that we're making. It seemed to go pretty fast because we've bought other kinds of equipment through other banks and stuff, and it just, some of them they're not very friendly. You know what I mean, in terms of paying on
Correct.
how you pay. all that kind of stuff. So it's nice. This one's just an automatic process, really. So what what else? I mean, how has it changed? You were in this one product, this one system before. Now you have the Benco e-strip. What's changed? Have you improved your processes? Are you the same amount of time? Tell me what you
Yes,
did.
the difference is like the process is a lot faster. You
Mhm.
can strip wheels a lot faster, and also it saves us money
It does because it
because
doesn't cost as much, right?
it doesn't cost that much also, and it doesn't evaporate
Right,
as much.
right. So you're not having to constantly replace them.
Yes.
Do you still use the B17 product? I think we're going to still have to use it every now and then for something.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, just you just have it that way. I mean, it's just I don't know just how you get around not having that on hand too. But for the most, if the power horse for you now is this product.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, awesome. We have a video too. I forgot to. Let's see if we can bring it in. Have it all queued up. You guys, you guys are actually master video makers too, apparently.
We're trying.
Yeah. I'm gonna share my screen, and I am gonna go. Oh shoot, where is it? I think I have to be. Hold on, Felipe. We're gonna get this going.
Take your
I
time.
think I have to. Oh, I know what I need to do. I need to change format to this one. It's like I have to do a presentation. So there we go. Extra camera, slides, share screen. And where is it? How come I can't? Oh, here we go. Because I'm in the wrong thing. There we go. Take it this way. There we go.
Welcome to RTP Customs. My name is Sam. I'm the owner. I'm going to walk you through our production line to show you the power of our partnership with Benco that helped us increase our production process, increase our capacity to produce more wheels with less time. Come follow me through our production line.
Tunes there. Yeah. Is it? It's pretty hot. 180 degrees or something, right?
Yeah, but the other one has to have a motor. This one is
This
just
is
like
Felipe. He's also
Yeah.
part owner, but he's the expert
There he
when
is,
it comes
star
to
of the
production
show.
and
Yeah,
producing
there you
wheels. So Felipe, tell me a little bit. Once we partnered up with Benco, how much of the capacity did it increase with us being able to strip wheels and get them through the process?
Yes,
guys that
they
shop the
increased significantly.
Yeah, they don't mind it.
Increased at least like 30%.
Wow. Okay. Excellent. How many wheels can you fit inside your tank?
Depends on the size,
Those are
but
some
average
big rims there.
8 to 9.
Yeah,
So
that's-
8 to
Yeah.
9 wheels. In this case, when you put those
That
wheels in, how long does it take
When we
in order for you to
customize
strip
it,
them
it's because
and get them back out?
Average
We see
time
the
it would
wheels that
be
go
an hour and a half to an
Yeah.
hour and 45 minutes.
Okay,
I
excellent.
think that's
And how
why we
often
bought
are you
the
having
six-wheel
to
one because
buy
I
and add more
knew
material?
someday we're gonna need something
Every
that
other
big.
month.
So
Every
might as
day.
well.
Have you noticed a
Goes
decrease in cost
Yeah.
and increase in production?
Yes,
true.
Okay.
definitely.
Excellent. Well, we definitely
that's a
appreciate
nice
it.
wrap,
Guys,
too. I
Benco
gotta get one of those
is the
wraps.
company that you need to be calling in order for them to help you increase your capacity with wheels without having to pay much out of pocket.
That guy is good. All right. There he is on the end. Oh, I didn't even get this far. Got music and everything. Look at you guys go. Very nice.
we just love what we do.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a great combo video. Thanks for letting me share that with you guys and stuff. I ended up putting it on my YouTube channel just to be able to access it. But
Okay.
if you guys, I can help you, send them your way or whatever, so you have it. Yeah. Anything else? I mean, it seems like you're overall really satisfied with it, right? You know,
Yeah,
but
we are.
and they customize. I mean, you said that they came to you a couple times, and then you started talking about what your needs were.
Yeah.
How well did they do that? I mean,
Uh, they're on top. Customer service
yeah,
is always there. When you need something, they 100% understand you.
yeah, right. Because you didn't want to lose capacity. You wanted to
Yeah, we
improve
want to
capacity.
gain.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and I told them if I'm gonna change, I'm gonna change for something that is gonna make me better.
Right, right. Yeah,
And they
otherwise
are.
status quo, right? So that sounds great. Awesome. Well, thanks for joining me today. Did you get your Maui Powder Works hat?
Uh,
Every interview we get one.
oh wow,
There you go.
nice. Thank
Nice,
you.
huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, thanks for joining me today, Felipe. I appreciate you stopping by the Benco tank area, and thanks for coming to SEMA.
Yes, ma'am.
Marietta, Georgia,
Yeah,
right?
Georgia, yes.
I'm going to follow you. You have Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram. It's
Awesome.
RTP Customs.
RTP Customs. I might be following you already. I don't know.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Have a beautiful day.
Bye.